Peace, y'all. Just wanted to bring you a quick update what we got going on with the seat struts. This is a factory piece. This isn't one that I just made, but this is a factory stamping. I get these from Ed McGlone at Jaguar Karts. He just sends me, I'll tell him I want them 12 inches long, and he'll send me a foot-long piece, and then we cut, notch, and weld it onto this base, this clamp bit ourselves. He sells us the clamp bit and this here, but you know, with this cart, we're trying to get rid of some of the stuff, extra stuff we got laying around. This is the one I made, and I made this right here in the vise in my garage. I don't have a press. Take a look at that. That looks pretty good. Other than this flat bit here isn't flat anymore. I actually took the bend out of it, but it was flat. It was all completely flat. So we did a nice little simulation of that stamped piece right here in the vise. Let me show you how we did it. Come on, don't be shy. I took a piece of 1/4-inch scrap steel and put that hole saw cut in the edge of it, and that's actually how we got that half round, trying to simulate what went on here in the press, right? Then we used a big piece of flat metal behind the whole back side of this end, right? Just so it would stay flat. And the only reason those little lines are there is that's I put it back in just to straighten it back out. It was literally on an angle, you know, and we need it straight and flat to fit on here to hold up the seat there. Or as straight and flat as we can get it. Yeah, granted, there's a spacer going to go in there, and it wouldn't make a great difference. But we want this part of it here that we're flattening as straight up and down as we can get, you know. Don't want it all out of whack, but not a bad gig, huh? Right here in the vise. We had to use some pipe, you know, on the handle here to give us some leverage. But other than that, she smashed right up real nice like a factory piece. An RPM factory piece. All right, we'll bring you some more in a bit. It's coming along. See you, folks.